What's up, everybody? Today, I'm gonna talk to you about what is a lead magnet.
Working on a Wednesday, then up again the next day. So-and-so is popping, man, I skip him like he leg day.
So what is a lead magnet? I'm gonna tell you and give you some examples of lead magnet ideas that you can use immediately after this video. I was helping one of our new clients create a sales funnel, and one of the big things that they were missing was a lead magnet. One of the big things that people need to do as they create relationships and a business online is you need to build a lead magnet. So what exactly is this? Think of it as a trade. I'm going to build something of value to you, and in return, I'm most likely gonna get your email address. Now, once you give me your email address and I give you the thing, we're done with that particular transaction, and that thing that I give you is a lead magnet. It's something that serves you in your business, whatever the business may be, and helps you, whether it's tips, tricks, checklists, case studies. There's a bunch of different things, so let's go into it. One of the biggest, easiest lead magnets to make is a checklist. In fact, with one of our brands, it's actually called Girl Brand. It's obviously ran by a girl. She has a monthly calendar lead magnet to help girls get right with their time, get better at personal development, and it leads them, it ascends them into a course and more content and things that she sells. Another thing that we're doing in the real estate space is we're creating a lead magnet on how to find and flip homes. So a real estate person comes in and they're looking to find and flip homes, the best strategy, the best structure. This lead magnet gives them exactly that strategy and structure, and then normally someone will have a few videos or extra value and content that they will give you in order to probably sell you something, right? Because at the end of the day, guys, we're building brands, we're building businesses, we are 100% selling things. So we wanna make sure that we sell things that have tangible value and logical sense to the next step of whatever it is we're doing. So when you are crafting your lead magnet, think, who is this for? What is the best way to help this person? What's the fastest way to get this person an immediate result that they can use this lead magnet, get success, attribute that success to me so I can start building a relationship, give these people more value, more content, and help them in their journey, whatever that may be. So think of these things as you create your lead magnet. A few ideas of lead magnets, like I said, could be checklists. You could also do case studies. Whatever space you're in, we have a lead magnet, particularly for us. We help the company go from $30,000 a month to over $300,000 a month. And if you download that lead magnet, we tell you and we help you, showing you exactly how we did that so you can utilize it and you can get those concepts inside of your business. Another lead magnet besides checklists and case studies could be just the content piece on what is going on in the state of the business, the state of the industry, essentially, what's going on, how to help people out. Also, you can break little nuggets out of your courses, your content, your training methodology, put those in as smaller chunks and make that a lead magnet. So now I've given you a few ideas on how to set up the lead magnet properly, what is a lead magnet, and how you can use it for your business. Let me know in the comments below what lead magnet you're creating, for who, what industry, and let's talk inside. Also, if you have more questions and want to continue the conversation, join us in our Facebook group. It's consistently growing. We talk ads, lead magnets, strategies, and everything under the sun regarding marketing and business building. And as always, do not forget to subscribe, join the notification squad, and we will see you guys in one of the other videos.